Hello everyone, this is Bijon. Welcome back to Quadro 143. Today I'm going to show you a vector art format, how to draw a vector art. Any object you can draw like a vector art, either it's portrait or any object. So today I'm going to show you. First let me sketch from sketch to like a final step. I'll show you step by step. So let me sketch first. Let me just opacity it down. For the layer 1 I'm going to create another layer 2. Going to use you can use a different color, how you are going to draw a bird, how to use color. So this is the vector art format, so you can draw any color. If you want to use any different color, where so for example, if I'm going to use green color anywhere, if you want to use a blue color over there, you can do it. That's not a problem. So it's look nice. If it's look nice, then it's okay, doesn't matter which color you're using. So I'm going to use a step by step, the fader, the first step on the step, and each of color you will try to use a different layer. So that will be a easiest way to create. So if you are for example, I'm using green color. So green color I'm going to use in one layer, and if I'm going to use orange color, so I'm going to use a different layer. For example, if I'm going to use layer 1, or sorry, it's layer 2, I'm going to use all the green color in layer 2. If I'm going to use orange color, so I'm going to use a different layer, layer 2 I'm going to use all the things are orange color. I'm not going to use any different color in same layer. So try to use, that will be easiest way. So if you are later on, if you want to change anything, that's the easiest way to change color on that time. If you want to delete something, or if you want to change the color on the same on the layer, previous layer, you can do it. So let me draw in one layer green color, three places I'm going to use. Now I'm going to create another layer 4. Layer 3 forget about it. I'm going to use yellow color. So here I'm going to use the yellow color. You have to use it slowly. That's not, you don't need to hurry up. I'm going to just down that layer. That's the easiest way. It's a time taking, because if I'm going to draw like that way, it's time taking. So drop down that layer. I'm going to use this color. See, it's the easiest way, because this is the green color in the first layer. If you think like that way, underneath that yellow color, I'm going to use this color here, orange. Let me draw like that way. Everything is underneath that green color. So you have to drag that color. You have to just borderline. You have to draw the borderline. Then you have to drag that color. I'm going to use black. This is black, because this is the lower portion. So I'm going to use this black color. See, it's look nice. This is called vector art. And if you want to check vector art portrait, how to draw vector art portrait, visit my channel. There is lots of portrait I have drawn for vector art format. You can check it out over there. So I'm going to use this color, it's a sky blue. This portion I'm going to use, and also this is underneath that layer. So it's not mandatory that you are going to use the same color of the ear. You can use a different color. I told you at the beginning time, you can change any color. And I think that this color looked nice, that's why I'm using this color. So it's up to you how you are going to draw. It's not mandatory that you are going to draw a bird. You can draw any object. So whatever you in your mind, you can draw. So I'm using I draw bird. So it's for beginner. That's why I'm try to guide you how to draw in vector format. Generally vector art is a very easiest way for digital artist. Any digital art. I'm using iPad here, and obviously using Procreate, which is easiest to draw any digital art. So try to use a Procreate. That's the easiest way. And brushes, you can use any kind of brushes. I'm using this brush. This is easy for me to draw anything. So I'm going to use different color for feather. Use a little bit lighter. It's a green, but it's a little bit lighter gray. Those are the first layer I already used. That was a dark color. So now I'm going to drop down the color opacity, or else I can drop down the opacity as well. I'm not going to drop. I'm going to use the color because there is a big color palette, so I can use the color. So easiest way. Just border the line and drag that color. That's it. Don't need to fill up like that, like for pencil how you fill up, not like that. Just border. See, I border the line both side and same color, and just drag down so it will be filled up. I'm going to use another layer. See, I have told you I am using a different layer for different color. This color I'm going to use a little bit lighter. No, like a previous color I'm going to use. That's it. That's good. That's look nice. And make sure you have to fill up the corner things as well properly, so it will look good. That's it. Nothing else. In vector art format, you can use any color. I told you I don't need to use the same color which I'm using. You can change your mind. You can change a different color. That's not a problem. I'm using because I think it's look nice for me. It's not heavy color, and it's a little bit lighter. It's look legitimate, So I'm going to use this one a little bit lighter than blue color. It's a dark blue. I'm going to use a little bit dark lower portion as well. Little bit dark. See, I have completed, I think. Yeah, all the things I have completed. It's a darker, so finally it's completed. I told you it's for beginner. Anyone can draw who is trying to draw something, who is trying to learn digital arts. So this kind of art for beginner, anyone can draw. That's what I'm saying. So you can try to draw this kind of objects, any objects, either it's a cup, it's a bird, or it's any animal or anything. If you want to draw in vector art, you can do it. Do let me know and share your art. If you try to draw something, share with me. Mention my channel name. I would like to see your artwork. Thank you so much for your precious time. And I'm going to use see, background, it's white, it's not good. I'm going to use a different background color that will look good. Just corner, make sure the corner section you have to clear it up. That's look nice. Now I'm going to use it in background color. Now for background, I'm going to use a different color. You can use whatever you want. For background, you need to I have to just where I sketch, I have to just I have invisible for that sketch, so it's look nice. Then I'm going to use this color. This is good. Now I'm going to use airbrushing. This is good. Okay, so I'm going to just border. Everything is border, borderline, so it will look with proper visible and look nice. That will go. Yep. It's you can just totally borderline. You have to draw it like a black, blue. You can do it. See, now it's look nice. And also you can use a background color. If you're going to use any airbrushing mode, you can do it. So just complete these things, and the drawing is done. Vector art painting is done. So you can try to draw something in your iPad, and please share with me I would like to see your artwork. Thank you so much once again for keep patience with me and for watching this video, and please mention my channel. We'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye.